Chocolate cake is one of my most favorite cakes, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate loaf cake, and it's going to be amazing. So in a large bowl you'll add half a cup of butter or margarine. Next I'm going to add 1 cup sugar. Then I'm going to use my mixer and mix the sugar and margarine until combined. When mixed, make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl so that everything can be in the center of the bowl. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. You're going to use a mixer and whip up this until fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the sides of your bowl so that everything can be well combined. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and also make sure you prep your baking tin. So this is looking amazing. Before I do anything, I'm going to make my cocoa mixture. So here I have hot water. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of the hot water and add it in my mug. Then I'm going to add my cocoa powder. So I'm using a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then I'm going to mix the cocoa together with the hot water. So make sure everything is combined. Then I'm going to put this aside. Next, I'm going to add my vanilla essence. I'm going to add a teaspoon. Then I'm going to use my spatula and combine with the batter. So the next step, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So to my sieve, I'm going to add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll use my whisk and sift the flour into the wet ingredients. Then I'll use my mixer just to combine the flour together with the butter. I don't want the flour to splatter on me. Add a little bit of my buttermilk. I'm using 2/3 of buttermilk. Combine a little more and then I'll switch it on. Add the rest of the flour. Repeat the same. This is very clever. If you don't want anything to splatter on you while using a mixer, first you can do this with your spatula or or your mixer. That is what I usually do. And then I'll add the rest of the milk. And then now I can switch it on again. Once everything is a little bit combined, I'm going to add my cocoa mixture. And then switch it on. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Then repeat once more. And my butter is ready. I'm going to clear my table and then we are going to add the butter in the baking tin. Now it's time to add my butter in my tin. This smells amazing. Once you've added the butter in the baking tin, you'll bake your cake for 30 to 35 minutes or until you insert a skewer and it comes out clean. So after 30 minutes, my cake is looking amazing, as you can see, and the smell of chocolate is just so good. So I hope you try out this recipe and make yourself chocolate loaf cake. Bye.